Hi, in this video I will show you how to speed up the Instagram Reels. So the process is pretty simple. If you want to speed up your Instagram Reels, you can simply follow this procedure. So first of all, open your Instagram mobile application and you have to log into your account. Once you will log into your account, you have to select the reel option, or simply you have to tap on the your story, and in the your story you have to select the reels from here. Once you will select the reel option, you will see a menu on the left. In the menu you will see different features. You have to select the speed option. Once you will tap on the speed, you will see multiple timings here like 1x, 3x and other different. So you have to select the faster speed to shoot or speed up your reel videos. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.